Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your text move on any Instagram story. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now I'm going to open up Instagram here, and it has a really cool feature that you can animate or make text and letters move in that story. So I'm going to hop over to my story by swiping right here. And then I'm going to tap create at the center left where it has the AA. So I'm going to tap on the AA. And then at the bottom center, I'm going to tap where it says AA. And then again, at the top right, it says AA. I'm going to tap on that. So now this is where we can add any kind of text that we want to move or animate. And I'm going just to type in hi. And at the top right here, you can see the A with the two lines to the left of it. I'm going to tap on that, and it enables the animation. Now, if you don't necessarily like this specific animation, you can always swipe over to the left or right, and you'll see different animation and different font for that specific animation. So you can have these different animations. You can have this one where it goes back and forth. This one just blinks. This one expands. And then this one just kind of pops up. So you can have different ones and decide on which animation you want to use. Just hit done at the top right here. And then of course you can move it around. You can make it bigger. You can do whatever you want and then share that with your Instagram story as an animated text or letters. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.